Welcome to Design by Geeks. I'm Marissa with Rissa Rocks It, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble this reindeer gift card holder. The link to buy this SVG design is in the video description. Start by cutting the pieces on your cutting machine. There's the main gift card holder shape and all of the details. You're going to start by folding your gift card holder along the score lines. And then you're going to place glue along these two side tabs. Then you're going to fold up the gift card holder to complete assembly. And just kind of hold that in place until the glue holds. Now we can start adding the details. For the antlers, I glue those behind the head. So this is the back side, so I'm going to glue the antlers to the back side. Just put a little drop of glue at the bottom on each one. And then stick those on where you like them. I usually do it right kind of where the ears meet the head. And I look at it from the front just to make sure that I got it even before the glue holds. And then once I like where it is, then I can press it down firmly so that the glue can stick. Then you're going to add your holly and your berries. And just put those on wherever you think it looks cute. If you notice, I don't glue the holly on all the way because I like to kind of move it out a little bit. And then last, we're going to add the nose and the eyes. So just make sure when you place the nose that it's in the center from left to right, that there's equal space on each side. We don't want to have a lopsided reindeer. And the same with the eyes. When you glue those down, make sure they're evenly spaced and centered so they're not all kittywampus. There we go. It looks about even. They look to be about the same level, top to bottom and left to right. Now all that's left to do is to slide a gift card into the pocket and you're done. There you go. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.